Hello, sweet friends and crafters. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's video, I will be sharing a project from Scrapdiva Designs using this candy cane gift box holder. Let me make sure what the exact name of it. Yep, candy cane gift box. And not only did I use the candy cane gift box, but I also used this again, which is the Gingerbread Bow Set. This is my favorite bow for this time of year. It comes out really, really cute, and this is nice to have in your stash. Now the box measures, let me see here. Your box, when completed, is going to measure about 4.25 inches tall, and then this portion right here is only about an inch wide in here, but I'll show you what I put inside of mine. So I used this die and I used the bow to embellish the candy cane box. So I will have links to these dies in the description box below to make it easy for you to shop. They are affiliate links. They don't cost you anything extra when you use them, but it does help me in my channel. And I want to thank you all very much for using my link. So before I get to my project, let me just say, if you are new or if this is your first time here, my channel features lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? And for all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So I made the candy cane boxes to go into my gingerbread purse. And some of them are going to the left and some of them are going to the right. And I was trying to figure out what made the difference. And for me, when you're putting this together, when you do the bottom, you are going to put the outside edge inside. And when you do, and what I mean with that is on, let me show you the pieces here. These are to decorate, but you have these pieces, and there are at least 3 tutorials on YouTube on how to put this together. So I'm not going to do another one because you should be able to get the idea on how to put this together from those other 3 tutorials. So what I'm talking about is you have one for the bottom and one for the top. And you will put these to the outside for the top. That's how it works for me. And then these to the inside for the bottom. And these are what makes this portion of your box. Okay? And these pieces fold up, and you line those pieces up on here, and it makes it so easy to put it together. So yeah, go check out, I think Jen Caskill has one, and there's 2 other people too that have a tutorial on how to put this together. So I did not do that. So I made these to kind of go with my gingerbread purses that I already made. And I used this little gingerbread. He is a Cottage Cuts die. And he's this right here. And he's in a cupcake. And I just used the top of him to put behind my little bow. And I just love these bows. And you can see inside here, I have a keychain and I have a straw topper, that these are going to go into my gingerbread purse. And I will show you everything I put in there. I'm not quite finished, almost, not quite. So I had 2 pink gingerbread houses and 3 of the red and the craft colored. So I have 3 of these, and you can see that I've got them going opposite ways. But I figured out what I was doing, and it doesn't really matter which way they go. It's however you want them. And I put little poinsettia in my center of my bow, and then I wrap some of this, which you can get at Hobby Lobby. It's like an eyelash lace, really pretty, because I wanted it to a little fluffy look. So I just took that and wrapped it around 3 times, and that's how you get that little fluffy eyelash, which is so pretty. So here's the pink one, and this is another pink one I did, just a little bit more pink with pink on pink with this one. And then this one, of course, is the same, and I have this one too. So that is my project for today, and I will go ahead and measure the completed project for you, and it is 4 1/4 for sure. And when I measure it with the trimmings on it, it's 1 1/4 inches wide. But there's quite a bit you can put in this. You know, if I wanted to, I could put bracelets in this too. So thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate it. Remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next video, happy crafting. Bye-bye.